In this video, we will focus on how to create a class. When you first log into Google Classroom, you will see the plus sign in the top right. When you click on that, there will be a Create Class option. You will need to create a class name, and then you can add a section and subject if you want. So we'll make this Algebra 1, and we'll say it's second period. In the subject box, it'll automatically drop down to your list of options. So if I start typing Algebra 1, it'll bring up Algebra 1, Honors Algebra 1. It does have quite a few, so maybe it's Honors Geometry, maybe it's Calculus, who knows. But you can go ahead and select the subject, and then you click on Create. And it takes it a couple seconds, but it'll load. Once it loads, you can customize each class. You can edit a theme or upload your own. Personally, I like to make my themes different. That way I can tell them apart easier. We'll go ahead and do the purple bubbles. So it changes that banner at the top. Once you've created the class, you can invite students. So if you click on the Students tab, there is an Invite Students options. You just have to start typing their name, and then it will pop up for you. So let's just pick a couple of my students. When you click invite, it's going to invite them, but it's going to keep their names grayed out. Once they actually join the class, their names will be gray, so you can see who has actually joined the class or not. If you want, you can also have your students log in, and then there will be a little join button on their screen over where your class is, or you can also give them the class code. It's kind of up to you. But once they join your class, they'll be good to go, and they'll be able to see everything that you have done. Now that your class is actually created, though, you're free to make announcements, assignments, questions, all that good stuff. So this is just the basics, setting up the class, and hopefully you can get it done relatively quickly. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. The next video in this series will focus on creating topics within your classroom. I recommend you learn about topics before you learn how to create announcements and questions and all that if you haven't already explored those, just because topics can help you stay more organized. Again, if you have questions, let me know.